if you're like me, you probably did not put all of the elements of the logo into their own layers in Illustrator. So before you can pull your logo into Illustrator, we need to put all of these pieces into their own layers. So I'm just going to do that, and you can go ahead and watch. So I'm going to have that layer 1. This is going to be layer 2. So I'm going to cut it, Command X, add a layer, Command Paste. Oops. Paste in place. Okay. So now it's in its own layer. This one I'm going to cut, Command X, add a new layer, edit, paste in place. Okay, so that one's going to go on top of that one. And then I'm going to take this one, cut, add a layer, click this layer button, edit, paste in place. Okay, that layer is going to get moved to the top. Oops. Okay, cut, new layer, paste in place. So what I'm doing is I am just moving all of the elements. Still looks the same, they're just in layers. And each time I'm adding a layer, I'm just dragging it to the top so it's on top of the other one. The layer order doesn't totally matter at this point. And then there's one last piece here. Edit, cut, add a new layer, paste in place, bring that to the top, add a layer. I'm going to cut the hive. If you wanted each letter to come in separately, you could cut each of these letters in their own layer, and that way in After Effects you could animate each letter as they come in. Cut, oops, add a layer, paste in place. And I can rename these as well to help me organize it. Edit, cut, add a new layer, paste in place, and move that guy to the top. Okay, so I'm going to call this one Connections, call this one Hive, I'm going to call this Center, and then from here it was layer 1 was the top, top right, bottom right. So you can call them things. I'm just kind of calling them where they're placed. Bottom, bottom left, top left. Okay, so I have all of these layers created and it still looks the same. I'm going to save this, Command S to save, and now it's ready to import into After Effects.